This animal was hunted extensively over a few periods here. Again, coming up, what an incredible shot. Awesome. Was hunted extensively because of its proximity to the coastline. This particular species of whales, folks, by the way, is not really afraid of us. They'll just kind of let us make our approach nice and easy here. There goes one down, the other one crossing our bow, with the other one accompanying it along. Nobody messes with the big guy, though. He's kind of a ham. Wants all the attention.
It's big. Somebody's gonna fall off.